Hi, welcome back to my channel Ideas of Max. As we already completed logarithmics exercise 1.5 till 4th Roman, we are continuing with that exercise. The fifth sum: if x square plus y square equals to 25x, then prove that 2 log x plus y equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here the given x square plus y square is equals to 25x. చూడండి, క్వశ్చన్లో మనకి ఇది ఇచ్చారు, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 25ని. దాన్ని మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే 2 log x ప్లస్ వై ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 log 3 ప్లస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ వై అనేది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలన్నమాట. మనం now add both sides to xy. As coming to this one, x square plus y square equals to plus 2xy equals to 25xy plus 2xy. Here we added, as we all know that a plus b equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab equals to 25x. We added. Here I am applying the formula of C. A square plus b square plus 2ab equals to a plus b whole square. Draw the box. Therefore x plus y whole square equals to 27xy. Apply log on both sides. Log of x plus y whole square equals to log of 27xy. Here we are using a formula of log of a power m equals to base b log of a b m. One more formula we are using, log of xy equals to base a equals to log of x base a log of y base a. By using these two formulas, I am using the step like this: log of x plus y to here, log of 27 plus log of x plus log of y. Here we are near to this 2 log x plus y equals to log of 3 cube log of x plus log of y. Therefore we already proved that 2 log x plus y equals to 3 of log 3 plus log of x plus log of y. So we got the answer. Therefore x square plus y square equals to 25 is equals to 2 log x plus y equals to 3 log 3 plus log of x plus log of y. Draw the box. If the log of x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 log of x plus log of y, then we should find the values of x by y plus y by 2. Okay, we'll go to the sum. What's the given in the question? Write the given neatly. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చారో గివెన్ అన్నది మనం నీట్గా రాసుకోవాలి సపరేట్. దానివల్ల ఒక స్టెప్ అనేది మనకు యాడ్ అవుతుంది, మనకి పేపర్ ఫిల్లింగ్ కూడా బాగుంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, యాజ్ వీ ఆల్ నో దట్ హియర్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ అప్లయింగ్ అ ఫార్ములా దట్ log of AB equals to log of A plus log of B. Therefore log of x plus y by 3 goes to 1 by 3 log of xy. Here log of x plus y by 3 equals to, here 2. Here this 2 will be n. Here I am applying another formula, m of log a by b is equals to log of a power m b. Draw the box. 1 by log of xy 1 by 2. Here I am cancelling the logs. Therefore x plus y by 3 equals to xy by 2. Here 1 by 2 can written as roots of xy. Apply squaring on both sides. Therefore x plus y by 3 whole square equals to xy whole square. X plus y by 3 whole square equals to, here root is there, cancel x. Therefore x plus y by 3 whole square is equals to xy. Here x plus y square plus 3 square equals to xy. చూడండి, చాలా స్టెప్స్ అనేవి మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను. షార్ట్ కట్గా అయితే నేను చేయట్లేదు, ఇప్పుడు షార్ట్ కట్గా చేస్తే మనకు తెలుసు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందని. కాకపోతే here I am applying the formula of a square a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that x square plus y square equals to 9xy minus 2xy. Transferring that, x square plus y square equals to 7xy. Therefore x square plus y square by xy equals to 7. Here x square by x plus y square by, here I am dividing numerator xy plus y square, xy equals to 1 As we all know that the log of x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2. Log of x plus log of y is to find the values of x by y plus y by x is equals to 7. Here we got 7th sum. If 2.3 power x is equals to 0.2.3 y is equals to 1000. Given this sum, find the values of values of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Given 2.3 a power x equals to 0.23 y equals to, first of all we are dividing. See, like this. First the equation 2.3 power x is equals to 1000. Therefore 2.3 x 10 power of cube. Here the power will be transferred to the another 3 by x. Equation 1. Next one 0.2.3 y equals to 1000. The 0.23 y equals to 10 cube. Y sent to other side equals to 10 3 by y. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, I'm applying a fraction. Apply equation 1 and 2 by fraction. See, 2.3 by 0.23 equals to 10 by 10 power of 3 by x by 10 power of 3 by y. Okay, here 10 by 23 by 110, 23 by 100 equals to 10 by 3 x by 10 by 3 by 23 cancel, like 23 by 10, 100 by 23. Therefore 10 power 3 by x minus 3 by y. Here I am applying the formula of a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So that here 10 is equals to 10 power of 3 by x minus 3 by y. So bases 2 are equal. Here I am showing as 1. Okay, bases are equal. Then 1 is equals to 3 by x minus 3 by y. Therefore 1 is equals to 3 of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Therefore I'm sending 3 here. Equals to 1 by x minus 1 by y. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. They asked me the question of if 2.3 power of x is equals to 0.3 to 0.23 power of y equals to 1000, then find the value of x. 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 3. Draw the box here. Okay, let us continue with the eighth sum. Coming to the eighth sum, here they given 2 power of x plus 1 equals to 3 power of 1 minus x. There apply both sides log of 2 power of x plus 1 equals to log of 3 1 minus x. Here I am applying a formula log of a power m base p equals to m of log ab. Therefore x plus 1 log 2 equals to 1 minus x log 3. Therefore x plus log 2 plus log 2 1 minus log 3 1 of minus log x3. Therefore x of log 2, here x values are one side, log of 2 3 log 3 minus log 2. X terms one side, variables are one side, common x log of 2 plus log of 3 equals to log of 3 minus log of 2 close bracket. Here x is equals to, therefore log of 3 minus log of 2 by log of 2 plus log of 3. Draw the box. Therefore the value of the x is equals to log of 3 minus log of 2 by log of 2 plus log of 3. Here we completed all the sums of the logarithms. Next we'll follow up the next chapter. Till then I'll give you some basic questions of the bits in the shorts. Okay, if any doubts please comment me. సమ్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు నీట్గా ఎలాబరేట్ చేస్తూ రాయాలండి. చూడండి, 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్ అయినా చాలా నీట్గా రాసుకోవడం ట్రై చేయండి. స్టెప్స్ అన్నవి ఎక్కువగా రాయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. డైరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ని చూపించడానికన్నా స్టెప్స్ అనేవి ఎలాబరేట్ చేస్తూ రాస్తే సమ్ అనేది చాలా నీట్గా కనిపిస్తుంది. సో విత్ దిస్ we completed 1.5 exercise. We'll meet in the real numbers, that 1.1 I think. Okay, thank you.